My name is Payne, aged 13 from Fishguard, and my favourite player is Josh Macleod. If you didn't play rugby, what would you be?
Oof. Probably following the footsteps of my father, a painter, a decorator, some trade of some sort.
Burger or pizza?
Oof. Now you're asking the serious questions. There'd have to be pizza for me.
Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
What's your coffee order?
Mine is a flat white, nice and standard.
Which country would you love to visit?
Oof. Somewhere like the Maldives. Take my fiancée and the little one to the Maldives. And them little huts, that, you know, the ones above the sea?
Yeah.
One of them.
What other sport would you love to be good at?
Probably golf. Fancied myself when I was younger, but I would have never been good enough to be a professional, and yeah, probably looks a little bit easier than rugby. I'm not sure it is, but yeah, professional golf player.
Best thing about being a rugby player?
Probably the friends, probably the boys, probably spending time with my mates, creating friendships, and winning on the pitch ultimately.
Who's your favourite music artist?
Someone like Drake. Yeah, Drake.
Which of the team is always on social media?
Someone like Carwyn Tupelotu likes his selfies and his Instagram posts, so probably someone like that, yeah.
What's your wallpaper on your phone?
It is my daughter, Imogen.
Thanks Josh for answering my questions, can't wait to see you back.
Pleasure. Thank you for having me.